How to log in to Fiverr on your laptop. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily log into your Fiverr account. First thing you have to do is open up any web browser that you use. I'm using Google Chrome right now, and then tap on the search bar, simply search for Fiverr login, and then hit enter. Now you'll see the Fiverr's official website. Go ahead and click on it. Once you land on the official page, you'll see the landing page here. And at the top right, you have two options. You can either sign in or join. If you're completely new to Fiverr, you can click on join and register for a new account. And if you already have one, you can just continue with the sign in option. Click on it, and you'll be taken to this page where you have an option to continue. So there are different options you can continue with, like your Google account, continue with the email address or username, even your Apple ID, as well as Facebook account. I'm going to continue with email. So in this case, you can just go ahead and enter your email address that's connected to your account. And once you've entered your email, just go ahead and enter up your password. And in case you've forgotten your password, you could go ahead and click on this forgot password button. And then from here, you should be able to send yourself an email to reset your password. So if your login credentials are correct, you should be able to log into your account. So let me just quickly enter my password. Now, once you've entered your password, you should be able to log into your account just like this. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.